In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Walmart app to fix errors. If your Walmart app has been freezing, loading slowly, or showing odd errors, a quick cache clear is often the simplest fix. The cache is just a collection of temporary files the app saves to speed things up. Over time, these files can become outdated or corrupted, and clearing them forces the app to rebuild fresh, error-free data the next time you open it. Don't worry, clearing cache won't remove your account, orders, or saved preferences. Start by locating the Walmart app on your phone. You can look on your home screen or open your app drawer and scroll until you see the familiar blue icon. Once you found it, press and hold the app icon. Keep holding until a small menu appears. On most Android phones, you'll see an option called App Info, or you might see a small eye icon that opens the same screen. Tap that to go straight to the Walmart app settings page. Inside the app info screen, look for the section that manages the app's data. Depending on your device, it might be labeled storage, storage and cache, or storage usage. Tap that to open more details about what the app is storing on your device. Here you'll see two common buttons, clear cache and clear storage or clear data. The one you want is clear cache. Tap clear cache once. You may notice the cache size drop to 0 or reduce significantly. This confirms it worked. Avoid tapping clear storage or clear data, as that fully resets the app, removes downloaded content, and can sign you out. Clearing cache is the safer, lighter touch meant for quick fixes. That's it. The next time you open the Walmart app, it should rebuild the necessary temporary files and, in many cases, run smoother and error-free. If the clear cache button was grayed out, it usually means there wasn't any cache data to remove, which is fine. You can still open the app and see if performance has improved. A couple of quick notes for clarity. Menu names may vary slightly by phone brand and Android version, but the path is the same idea. Open the app's info screen, go into storage, and clear the cache. Also, clearing cache doesn't delete your personal data, payment methods, or order history. It only removes temporary files to help the app start fresh. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're all set to get back to shopping without the hiccups.